Hi all, welcome to Simply HR channel. In series of sessions we were discussing about selection method formats. If a candidate comes across some kind of selection method in a series of process, any method for that matter will be either testing method or it may be a method of gathering information or it will be an interviewing method. So in the past two sessions we were discussing about the first two methods, that is methods of testing and methods of gathering information. Now in this session we are going to discuss about what is the method of interviewing. If a candidate comes across an interview process, any interview for that matter will fall under two categories. They are either situational interviews or behavioral interviews. Situational interview, as the name itself is very clear, the interview based on certain situation. So it will specifically focus on certain behavioral outcomes expected for a particular situation. For example, if you are taken as a candidate for a front office, then to handle the front office either at the executive capacity or at the managerial capacity or at an operative capacity, there are certain situations that you come across when you are at work. So those situations have to be handled by the particular employee who reports at the desk, isn't it? So those kind of situations will be given as cases, that is printed materials, or it will be described in a story or a situation in an organization at a context, or there may be possibilities for them to tell you what all kind of situations you have handled in the such capacity in the previous organization, in any other context of your previous employment. Likewise, a specific profile, a specific situation, a specific problem are the parameters for conducting an interview, which is situation based. That's why the interview process is known as situational interview. On the other side, behavioral interview means all the aspects of your behavior will be assessed by these interviews. Not necessary that everything will be covered. Here, to the profile or to the level in which you are going to be recruited, to that level, whatever behavioral elements required for a particular profile at a particular level will be tested. So it doesn't mean anything to the specific situation or specific context. It will be in general. General behavioral aspects of a person is assessed under this interview. So that is the only specific flimsy difference between situational interview and a behavioral interview. So in general, behavioral interview shall be conducted for any kind of profiles. That means minimum required behavioral features you should show. For testing those kind of features, the situational interview is not a big requirement. Only behavioral interview is a minimum requirement. So behavioral interview shall be a part of interview for any kind of profile, with irrespective of their level, profession, the capacity and the situation. But at the same time, situational interview is very specific to all these parameters. That's the difference between these two. That is how interview becomes a part of a selection method, and it runs in two different types. One is situational interview, the other one is behavioral interview. With this brief note, let me conclude this session. Rest of the matters regarding other selection aspects we'll be discussing in the next session. Thank you.